If you're a contractor or even a homeowner and don't own one of these laser levels yet, what are you doing? Seriously, we only recently discovered how useful one is during our house renovation projects, and wow, I can't believe how much easier it makes everything. So this is the DOVOH 4D laser level kit, and it comes with pretty much everything you need right out of the box, including the tripod, hard carrying case, charger, and 2 rechargeable batteries. What immediately stood out to us is that this isn't just a basic laser line. It projects 2 horizontal and 2 vertical 360-degree green laser lines, so you can work on multiple surfaces at once. The tripod is really solid. It extends over 5 feet tall, so it's easy to adjust, and it keeps the laser steady while you work. And I also like that everything stores neatly back into the hard Toolbox case. Another cool feature is the self-leveling mode. So if the tool is slightly off, it automatically adjusts itself within range. And if it's too far off level, it flashes and beeps so you know right away. There is also a manual mode if you need angled lines for stair railings or other custom projects. The green laser lines are very bright and easy to see indoors, and overall it just makes renovation work look cleaner, faster, and way more professional. So if you do any kind of DIY projects, home renovations, tiling, framing, installing cabinets, or even decorating, this is a must-have.